Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to import a common front page for your course. First of all, you do need to sign into your Canvas, and on Canvas left side the navigation bars we are going to click on the Commons. We are going to find the common shell for the front page, and this leads to a group of shared platform for the Canvas. So we're going to just do a search. We're going to type in chemistry. This is the only one that we listed here. This is the front page we are going to import. So we'll go click on it, and this is the front page we would like to apply to our course. And the next step is to import to our course, and we are going to press this button. And after you press it, you are going to see a whole list of all your courses, the one that you taught in the past and the one you are going to teach in near future. I'm going to use my summer course as one example. So I'm going to choose this one as an example. I check it, and then the next step is just press the import into this course. And immediately you are going to see a notification bar on the top that you have successfully started the import. It takes maybe a minute or two, and we are going to go to the course to check on it. And I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and this is the course that I import that front page in. At this moment, what we see here is just a green colored. After we do something, it will show our logo here as well. So I'm going to click into this course. So at this moment, when you go in, you see all these modules. That is not what we want. So we have ability to choose the home page. So when students click into this course, they will see that page. So the button right here on the right side is allowed us to do so. We will click on the choose home button, and the page front page, we are going to click on this. That is a page we just imported from the Commons. Welcome to the chemistry course. So we will do the save. Let's see what's going to happen. Now we save that. Now this will be our home page for our course, and this home page is customizable. So you are going to edit as you need, and all the things that is in the bracket with underline and italic, you can change as you wish and put all your information in. And for instructor, you can also include your pronouns if you prefer that. And you also can type in more information such as the final exam time, locations, as you like. And after you edit all the information as you need, what we'll do is just save it, and that front page will be present to the student when they open the Canvas page. So before we check out, we are going to also look at the settings. We want to put our UTSA department logo at the dashboard. So it's here, and apparently it's already here, so that's great. We will update the course detail. Now we are going to just check it, and we go back to the dashboard. Now the course I just edited have the UTSA chemistry logo right here, so it's very easy for students to navigate among all the courses they are going to take during the semester. So click back here. That will be the front page they are going to see. So that is the end of the video. If you have any questions, let me know.